The overall goal of this behavioral assessment is to obtain a calibrated quantitative measurement of reciprocal social behavior in toddlers, which indexes levels of autistic traits while also being sensitive to change over time. This brief tool facilitates accurate behavioral assessment by untrained raters with routine experience observing a given child's naturalistic social interactions.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of child development by measuring the earliest manifestations of reciprocal social behavior in childhood and social communication deficits that are characteristic of autism spectrum disorders. A main advantage of this method is that it allows calibrated, developmentally sensitive ratings through brief, user-friendly measures that are appropriate for use by untrained raters.
We first had the idea to overcome the challenge of rating toddlers after realizing that a videotaped reference of a single child could provide an understandable, ecologically valid representation of social communication.
The implications of this technique extend toward diagnosis and treatment planning of autism because this measure can detect early signs of risk as well as responses to intervention.
While this method can provide insight into early signs of autism risk, it can also be applied to study developmental trajectories of social communication in typically developing toddlers.
Begin by creating a new project to house the questionnaire in the online data collection tool REDCap by logging in and clicking New Project in the ribbon at the top of the page. Then, enter study-specific text into the